Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. We hit 19,000, and girl, I'm like just thankful and just, you know, girl, I'm just excited. But yeah, so in today's video, we're doing a Walmart video. So what other way to celebrate 19,000 than to do a Walmart video? You guys love my Walmart videos, and yeah, we're back with another one. Your girl went to Walmart, and just, you know how you just go to Walmart and you're just shopping and then you just run into all of these outfits, and I'm like, why not do a haul? So yeah, here we are. So I will have everything linked in the description box below. Majority of this stuff has went on sale because everybody in the world is having their big summer sale. They're trying to transition into back to school, you know, long sleeves and everything's about to start coming out. So majority of this stuff should be on sale. But yeah, I'll have it linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. So you already know how I like to start off my Walmart videos by taking you around my store and seeing what my store has to offer. I'm just gonna show you around, and then afterwards we're gonna jump right into the video. Okay, y'all, so for this first outfit, we have a really cute set. Girl, this set is super cute. Like, girl, I'm excited about this set. Anyway, so as you can see, I got it in yellow. This set also comes in blue and I want to say white, I believe, but the white didn't have the same white, like plain white shirt. It had a different. Anyways, child, I got it in yellow just because it's a summer color, just very pretty. The material is like this linen material, and it's kind of thick but kind of not, but it's really good quality material. It's in the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium, and this top was $22. I feel like the top fits me very well. It does give me like an oversized fit, but it wouldn't be me if I didn't make this into a crop top. I mean, you could just wear it, you know, how it's supposed to be, but I mean, it just didn't look right on me like that. Like, I'm either gonna tie it, flip it up, girl, I'm gonna do something to it to give it a little bit of, you know, just a cute little touch. So yeah, that's how you see me wearing it right now. It's just tucked in underneath my bra, but it is, you know, just a regular button down top. If you want to wear it open up and have like a little tank top underneath like this, you can. I mean, you have many ways to wear this, but yeah, it's super cute. And then it pairs with the yellow shorts. Now the shorts, I could have sized down. I very much so probably should get me a size small because the shorts are kind of big. They don't fit me as tight around my waist as I would like it to be. It's kind of a little baggy, but I mean, it is what it is. I'll see if they have a size small, but if not, a medium fits me fine. It has pockets. Again, it's the same material, you guys. This will actually look really cute color blocked, but I didn't have like the right color to go with it. But yeah, this would definitely be cute color blocked. But right now, I just have it styled with just like a big gold chain, just to like, you know, and then just some clear sandals, and then a yellow Zara bag. The yellows are kind of off, but who's looking that hard? But yeah, it's styled cute together. So this is the next outfit, a really cute romper, y'all. I'm a fan of sets and rompers because I feel like they're so easy to style and just put together because they're already an outfit in itself. You don't have to try hard to try to style it or anything. So yeah, this romper is super cute. The sleeves is what got me. They're like bell bottom sleeves, just really nice sleeves. I really like it. Again, y'all, this is from the brand Free Assembly, and I got it in a size medium, and the tag says $34 $30. However, this was one of the ones that was on sale for $21, and it came in a black color as well. But of course I had to get it in this cream because I feel like darker colors you can't really see all of the details like you can on a lighter color. So cream was definitely my speed. So yeah, and I'm super glad that it was on sale for $21 because who wants to pay $30? I mean, I would have, but I'm just glad it was on sale. Anyway, so yeah, so it buttons up and you can button it up or down, however, you know, if you want to show a lot of boobs, you can do that. Like, girl, you can do whatever you want with this romper with the buttons and stuff. I kind of just left one button undid or whatever because I mean, I don't really have nothing to show, but girl, it's super cute. And then it has like this little slash thing or whatever that's built into the romper, and it's only in the front, it's not in the back at all. Yeah, it's only in the front, and you can tie it however tight you want it to be. I only tied it one time because I just hate when you double knot it and it's just sticking out and just poking out. Like, girl, I cannot stand that. So I only tied it one time. Again, y'all, it's the same type of material as the yellow one, like a thick linen material, just a very nice quality material. I paired it with the same chain just to, you know, just to dress it up just a little bit. And then I also have a white and gold bag that I think paired really nicely together. And I'm not a heels person, but this would definitely look cute with like some wedges or some heels. But of course I like to keep it casual and comfortable, so I just have my clear flats on with it. But yeah, you can do a lot with this romper. Okay, y'all, so for this next look is really cute. Like, I like this dress. The dress is nice. I typically don't like to do spaghetti straps as dresses or whatever because I don't know, it's just not my thing. Like, I need either like a thick, like it needs to be this thick, or I'm not getting it. So I'm surprised I got it. But yeah, it's still cute or whatever. This is, again, y'all, in the same brand, Free Assembly, and I got it in a size, I want to say small. Yeah, I got it in a size small because they were out of mediums. Everybody must have loved this dress because they didn't have no mediums in any color. I think this came in white and black and then maybe a print. I'm not sure, but yeah. Girl, no medium. So I got it in a size small and it was $24. It says it's a swing dress, which makes sense because it is kind of like flared out or whatever. It has a lot of movement. It really would have been cute if it had pockets. Like, I really thought it was gonna have pockets, but it doesn't. But I mean, it is what it is. But it's super cute though. I really like the material. Again, y'all, it's just like some thick linen material. It has like, I don't even know, what do you call that? Why was I gonna say embroidery? And I know that's not embroidery. It just has like a little line going across the dress, I guess, to give it a little patass. Girl, did that even make sense? Girl, I don't even know. But I mean, it's cute or whatever, kind of short. And yeah, I kind of just paired this one with a hat because I feel like the hat was fitting. I definitely feel like if you have like some cowgirl boots or whatever, that would, girl, that will definitely be cute with some boots and or some booties. I'm just keeping it real casual with just a brown sandal, and then I got a brown bag just kind of to match the brown hat because I just feel like, you know, the vibes were there. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so now we're going like real casual or whatever. I saw this really cute graphic tee, and y'all already know how I feel about graphic tees. Like, that is my thing. So yeah, I picked up this cute graphic tee and it was just right up my alley. I love a good graphic tee that has neutral tones. Like, girl, I love. So this it doesn't have a brand, it just says Rolling Stones, and I got it in a size medium, and I got this from the women's section. So yeah. Oh, it says Time and True. Okay, so it's from the brand Time and True, and it was $9.98. Girl, I didn't even know this was only $9. I literally just be picking up stuff. Anyway, so it was only $9.98, which is a good price. Their graphic tees, now y'all, I typically don't like to get women graphic tees because they don't never fit me right. Like, as you can see, the medium is just like very wide or whatever, and then it's like this soft material. But I mean, it's still cute, but I don't like how they just make it wide or whatever. I really love men's graphic tees, but this one is so cute, and you know they're not gonna have this type of style in men's. anyways, but it just is a Rolling Stone or whatever, and it's really cute. I tucked the shirt on the side just because, again, y'all, it is kind of wide or whatever, and the medium was the only size that they had. I probably still would have got a medium even if they had a small. But yeah, so that's how I styled the tee, and then I paired it with these bottoms, and these bottoms I think are from Time and True as well. Yeah, they're from Time and True. They are high rise, and I got them in a size 8, and it says they're crop pants. How, girl, I don't even see how much they were. I guess the tag tore off. So maybe, girl, no more than $20. You know their jeans are not expensive at all. And these ones, oh, and it says it has a 25-inch inseam, and again, they're cropped pants. These kind of fit me like, I don't know, a little too big, but they're very stretchy. They have a lot of stretch to it, but they are also kind of itchy. Like, I don't know if I like these, to be honest. I don't know if I like the fit and stuff, the itchiness. They're kind of a little too big. I don't know, but it paired very nicely with the outfit. What did I... Oh, girl, I couldn't even think of how I styled it. So I styled it with some booties, and I felt like the booties were a cute way to like dress it up, because sometimes I do like to dress up my graphic tees or whatever. So yeah, and especially because I feel like this graphic tee is just a tad bit more dressy, just because it is. So yeah, I dressed it up with some booties and then a brown bag because this top had the brown and stuff in it, and I think it looks really nice together. If I would have had like a fedora hat that matched the same color, I would have put the hat on with it as well, because those are the vibes that it's giving. But I think together how it's styled now is cute as well. Okay, y'all, so you know it would not be me if we didn't go to the men's section. Like, what is a haul without going to the men's section? Like, I live for the men's section. Anyway, so this is the top. And by the way, this is my favorite outfit out of the entire bunch. Like, I'm a comfortable baddie. Like, I'd rather choose to be comfortable and cute than cute and just, girl, just in heels. Like, I'm just not that person no more. Anyway, so we have this green top. I got this top from the women's department, and it's from the brand Time and True, and it's actually in a size extra small, only because that was the only size that they had. These tanks were on sale for $3, and I was just so desperate. Like, I was desperate. They actually had a green top, but it was a spaghetti strap in the juniors department, and I already told y'all how I feel about spaghetti straps. Like, that's just not my thing. So, but this one, y'all, it actually fits me really good. Like, an extra small, you can actually size down a couple of sizes, because my normal size is a size medium, and this one fits me like a glove. Like, this is a nice tank top. So yeah, extra small, and it was only $3. And then I paired it with these pants. Of course, like I said, I have to go to the men's department, and girl, they never fail me. I mean, sometimes they do, but anyway, we got these pants. So these pants are from the brand Free Assembly yet again, and I got them in a size medium, and they were $24, and it says they are utility pants, and I love me a good utility pant. They actually have these in another color. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, but it came in a blue color as well, which I'm probably gonna go back and get that blue color because I have some Jordans that'll go with it. Anyway, so I got it in this olive green color, which is really nice. And again, y'all, it says utility pants. It has like this funny texture to it. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but it's thick. It's a nice quality material. Maybe like a waffle. I don't know how to explain it, but just know that these are like textured pants, but they're really nice, and the texture doesn't bother you or anything like that. It has a drawstring, so you're able to tie it, which I did need to utilize the drawstring because they were a tad bit big. I feel like the length is perfect, and they're just straight leg utility pants. So yeah, and then they got pockets, of course, and then it has a pocket on the back, you know, for men's wallets, but you know how that goes. But yeah, I think it pairs so nicely together. Like, girl, the greens are spot on together, but I didn't want to just be too like green, so I paired it with an orange hat. Girl, where did I get this orange hat from? I think I got that hat from Urban Outfitters. Sis, it's super old. It's just something that was in my closet. And a Zara bag, or no, this bag is from Shein, but the handle is from Zara, because I didn't want to walk around with that Shein strap. So yeah, so everything just paired nicely together. I threw on my little old Fila's, and yeah, it's just like a vibe. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.